Hi friends, welcome back to once again. Today we will learn how to make gradient outline to text in PowerPoint 365. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to make gradient outline text. In this presentation, go to the new slide option, then choose blank. Then go to the insert menu and click the word art option. Then choose any word art. Now I select the word art option. Then write text on the word art. Then double click on our mouse to select the text and go back the home menu. Then increase the font size. Then go to the shape format menu and click the format text effect option. Then go to the fill and enable the text outline option and go to the gradient line. Then apply the gradient line to this color option. Choose the color pen and change the color. Now we can see here we make a outline but it's not clear. We want to change or increase the white. Select the white option and increase the white. To see the outline better, then close the window. Now we can see we make red or black color gradient text outline in this presentation very easily. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.